Namaste, everyone. Thank you for joining me once again in today's practice. This will be a 15-minute yoga practice. Now, let's come onto our mat. Now, let's take a moment to scan our body, connect with our breath, set your intention, and we begin. Let's come onto hands and knees to warm up the spine, cat and cow. Finding that breath, inhale, look up to the sky, exhale, round, look towards the belly. Inhalation, you arch the back, lift the sternum, look to the sky. Exhale, round as you look towards the navel. Push into the thumb and index finger. Inhale, drop in the belly, gaze towards the sky, arms straight. Exhale, round, look towards the navel. Noticing your breath. Exhale, go into your child's pose, allowing your head to rest onto the earth, hip towards the heels. Lengthen the spine, connect with your breath. And when you have it, we're going to reach forward into our puppy pose. Reach the hands towards the heel, draw the belly towards the spine. Relax the top of the legs. Again, really observing your breath. How are you? Inhale here, you can clasp opposite elbow or you can stay with the hands reaching towards the heels. Slowly bring yourself up, and then we're going to come into our spinster's pose. Forearm on the mat, arch the back, lift the sternum, top of the legs either tucked or relaxed. Gazes forward and gently stretch the neck by looking to the left side. Breathe in and right side, releasing the neck. Bring yourself back into the forearm, finding your breath. Clasp opposite elbow, chest and chin. Relax the top of the legs. Breathe in and out. Releasing completely around the armpit, around the shoulder. Inhale, press yourself back up and allow yourself to slowly and mindfully sit towards your heels in hero's pose for shoulder opener. Interlace the hand, draw the palms together, lift the chest. Find that length, inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale, draw yourself down, head on the mat. Lift the hips. Maybe walk your knee towards your forehead. Only if it's available. Don't force anything. Be mindful. Inhale, bring yourself back up. Release any tension. Exhale, release back and come into kneeling for camel pose. Ustrasana. Hands on your lower back, push your hip forward. Lengthen the spine, head back. Option to just reach one hand towards your heels or both hands towards your heels, or simply alternate hands, opening the chest and breathing in and out. When you have it, sit towards your heels, release completely. Now, take a big breath in and a big breath out. Wrap your hands around your heels. Inhale, lift the hip. Walk your knee towards your forehead for turtle pose. Arching lifting, releasing the strength, and just allow yourself to go within. Stretching your trapezium muscles here, and exhale, release. Child's pose. Slowly bring yourself back, and then we're going to thread the needle. Right hand, reach up. Exhale, right hand underneath the left armpit, head on the mat. Left hand reach all the way up and back. Catch your right thigh. You can bring the left leg into the right hand and stretch the left hand to the sky. Make sure you're comfortable. And now breathe in and breathe out. Exhale, release. Inhale, take the right hand all the way up, open. Exhale, reach the right hand forward and extend the left leg back. Right hand forward like a chainsaw. Right hand forward, left leg back. Right hand forward, left leg in, and then right hand in, left leg back. Slowly release back into tabletop. Bring that left leg outside of the right hand. And then interlace the hand for low lunge with a back bend. Open the heart, head back, breathe in and breathe out. Finding that breath, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, lower down. Maybe the head comes towards the left big toe. Then inhale, bring the hands and open the hip. Left hand draws inside and bring the left leg to meet with the right. Left hand reach forward. This time exhale, draw in. Lengthen, hug in together, extend and hug in. Inhale, exhale, squeeze together. Inhale, exhale, release. Left hand reach all the way up, thread the needle. Left hand underneath the right armpit, head and shoulder on the mat. The right hand catches the left thigh. Bring that right leg to the left hand if you can. You can unravel the right hand and float the right hand up, or you can stay where you are. Breathe in and breathe out. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, release the right hand. Bring the right leg back. Float the left hand all the way up to the sky. Exhale, release. Bring the right leg outside of the right hand. Use your right hand, open the hip, lengthen the spine, interlace the hand behind you, open the heart. Noticing your breath as it changes. Exhale, devote, drawing yourself inside the right leg. Knuckles reach forward, head reach towards the earth. Again, make sure you're breathing in and out. Inhale, slowly come back up. Frame the front foot. Straighten the right leg, half split. Reaching the crown of the head towards the right big toe. Lengthen the spine. Inhale here. Exhale. Bringing your right hand in front of the right shin. Lengthen the spine. And then exhale. Bring the right leg to meet with the left. Taking a big breath in, left leg in between the hand. The left elbow is going to come in front of the left shin. as if you're going for that lizard pose. Lowering down here, breathe in and out. Lengthen the spine, drawing the chest forward. Find breath. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Taking a big breath in and find yourself into your half split on the left side. Point toes towards the sky. Lean towards the right heel. Lengthen. Breathe in and out. Again, inhale. Bend the left leg, finding your breath as I struggle with the wind. Left leg meets with the right. Exhale, downward facing dog. Push your thumb and index finger onto the mat. Shake the head yeses and no. Finding your breath. Bring your forearm on the mat. A great shoulder opener, dolphin pose. Inhale here. Exhale. Again, inhale, bring your forearm off the mat. Continue to push your heels down towards the earth. Lean forward into your upward facing dog or cobra. Come back into plank. Push into your upper body. Look up, cobra. Lifting the belly, engaging the core. Plank. Lower down. Completely. This time, the right hand catches the instep of the right leg. Left hand reaches up. Switch hands. Left hand lift. Right hand reaches forward. Finding that length. We're going to lay and open our hands. The right leg is going to come behind the left. Allowing your arm to open. A great shoulder opener. Inhale. And exhale. Go over to the right. Left leg behind the right one. Lengthen. Drawing the shoulder down. Releasing. Come back to center. Inhale. Finding that breath. Shoulder away from the ears. Switching over to the right side. Couple of times. Noticing your breath. Inhale. Exhale. This is one of my favorite stretch. Bringing the right leg behind the left once again. Breathe in and breathe out. Come back again on the right side. Releasing completely. Come back to center. Taking a big breath in, bend the knee, push into the hands, and go for King Cobra. Legs reach towards the heels, heels towards the head. Breathe in and release. Now reach the hands towards the heels, lift the knee, boat pose. Noticing your breath, lift your upper body, exhale, release. Slowly and mindfully bring yourself into seated twist. The right leg over to the left, sit nice and tall, left elbow outside of the right knee, and look towards the back. Noticing this beautiful beach and switch. And just noticing your spine, feel taller, feel lighter. This is a 15-minute yoga practice. I encourage you to lay down and get rest. If you enjoy this practice, let me know what you would like to see in the next one. Again, for those of you that are quite busy, this is a good one to do. And Hopefully it wasn't as challenging as my other classes. And releasing the neck here, throwing right and left. And when you have it, just find yourself in a comfortable seat. I have to keep the eyes on the technology since I'm outside recording. Now, if you like this content, like, share, and subscribe. It was my pleasure to guide you in this quick yoga practice. The light in me honors the light in each and every one of you. Namaste. Be well. Thank you.